Good morning. My name is Joshua Minorca, BSc-2, Group 5. My topic for today is all about GPCI 2017 characteristic. Global Power City Index 2017 use figure and charts to clearly introduce a city power through the lens of 6 functions: economy, R&D, cultural interactions, livability, environment, accessibility. Focus of the discussions will consist of 2 parts from the GPCI 2017 summary: the key finding and the trends for the top 3 cities. The first topic is the key finding of the GPCI 2017. It presents the report and notable points inside the summary. In the comprehensive or overall ranking, the top 5 cities are as follows: first, London; second, New York; third, Tokyo; fourth, Paris; and fifth, Singapore. Another notable ranking outside the top 5 is that Sydney has reached the top 10 in 7 years. Sydney, number 10; Los Angeles, number 11; Beijing, number 13; San Francisco, number 17. The last key finding is that European cities scored highly in livability and environment, while Asian cities score highly in economy. The next topic would be the trend for the top 3 cities. It will discuss the possible performance rating or future results that could affect a city's standing. London, the number 1 city in the comprehensive ranking for the 6 years in a row, further extend in lead over the competitions by improving its score for such indicator as GDP growth rate and level for political, economic, and business risk and economy, and for attractiveness of dining options and number of visitors from abroad and cultural interaction. Second, New York. New York, the number 2, increases its scores for the economy indicator of nominal GDP and GDP growth rate, but fails to make any significant headway in comprehensive score, having returned weaker scores this year in cultural interaction indicator such as number of world-class cultural events held and livability indicators like variety of retail. Top 3. Tokyo. Tokyo climbed the number 3 ranking for the first time last year and closed the gap on New York, number 2, this year. This is a result of the American city scores styling, while Tokyo continues to improve very year and cultural interactions indicators of number of visitors from abroad and number of international students. However, Japan's capital city slips from number 1 to number 4 in economy due to weaker scores in market size of market attractiveness.